Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a TikTok your alarm. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your TikTok and select any video you want to use as alarm and then save that video in your phone. Once you will save that video on your phone, now you have to open the browser and you have to search for the video to MP3 online converter, and you will see multiple websites here. You can use any website to convert that video to MP3. Once you will convert and download your audio, now you have to go to the settings on your phone, and after that you have to go to the sounds, and here you will search for the alarm ringtones and you will see add button here. You have also maybe option like custom alarm. You have to tap on that and music is here. Click OK, and now you can use that audio as your alarm. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.